If you realize that somebody is perhaps not the right person to build a successful big company, you should rather early than later replace him. Hi, I'm Marc. I'm a serial tech entrepreneur and now also an investor, mainly focusing on exponential technologies, fintech and crypto assets. Ultimately, as an entrepreneur, I think it's a natural evolvement after you had your own successful companies that you somehow try to support other emerging startup guys and founders, and part of it that you help them with your network, with your knowledge and also with your money. For me, the most relevant and by far also most unique skill a founding team should have is passion. So without passion, I think you won't succeed, at least you won't get really big, because the passion is a little bit the foundation of every entrepreneurial path. So it's a soft factor, but for me it's still by far the most relevant one. So if you realize that somebody is perhaps not the right person to build a successful big company, you should rather early than later replace him or try to find a better alternative. I think these people-oriented facts are definitely key. I think in general, because you have far more players, far more money in the venture capital space, it's like in every other industry, you have more competition and the better ones will succeed, which is also great. So it's not just that startups are competing against each other, but it's also about venture capitalists competing against each other. For me personally, everything which really addresses a market on a global scale is interesting. And to go a little bit more into detail, I still think that finance has a lot of ways to be disrupted. And when you look at blockchain, there are a lot of ideas at the moment, but I think some of these ideas will really change the whole system.
Thank you very much for watching this video, and I really hope that you were able to learn two things. Number one, how investors look at startups, and number two, the investor's perspective on the next 10 years in venture capital. And there's a few more videos within this video series, but there's a lot of more videos all about startups and venture capital on my channel. Make sure you go and have a look and watch another video. Thank you so much, and I would appreciate if you subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.